In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reorder projects on Behance. If you've been eager to organize your profile to showcase your work in a specific sequence, you've come to the right place. Knowing how to control the order of your projects can be immensely helpful in crafting the narrative you want potential clients or collaborators to see first. So, let's dive in. First things first, you'll want to start by logging into your Behance account. Make sure you're using your correct credentials to access your portfolio. Once you've successfully logged in, you're immediately greeted with your profile, showcasing your projects as they currently stand. You'll see a series of thumbnails representing each project you've ever published. To start rearranging these, you'll need to head over to the Profile section. Now, locate the Edit Profile button, usually found prominently displayed near the top of the page. Clicking on it transforms your profile page into an editable layout, essentially unlocking all projects for easy adjustment. In this editable view, you should notice your projects become movable. At this point, all you need to do is click and hold on to any project thumbnail. You'll notice the thumbnail becomes draggable. With a project firmly gripped by your cursor, move it to the desired new spot on your profile page. As you hover, you'll see the other projects adjust to make room for the moving piece. It's essential to take your time here, envisioning the perfect lineup that best represents your creative journey or newest work first strategy. Once the projects are in the preferred order, it's crucial to save your changes. Look for the Save button, often found at the top right of your profile page. It ensures that your rearrangement is not lost in cyberspace but solidified for every visitor to your profile to experience. Just give the Save button a good click, which confirms your intentional new sequence of projects. I'd recommend refreshing your profile to double-check the order displayed is exactly how you wanted it. This act serves as a reassurance that everything looks perfect after your edits. It's also worth noting that future viewers won't notice the changes until you save them, so feel free to experiment with different orders until you find the perfect fit. There you have it, a simple, effective way to reorder your projects on Behance. By tailoring your work's arrangement, you're guiding viewers through your portfolio in a manner that best tells your creative story or highlights your pride pieces. Give it a try and witness how much impact a little reordering can bring. Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks on optimizing your creative space.